The Tenure tool is a platform that gives access to RRI's tenure tracking data, and for the first time, aggregates data from multiple data sets at the regional and country level. The Tenure tool allows users to view data at either the global, regional, or country level, and it covers 58 countries, which cover 92% of the world's forest. The Tenure tool allows users to travel in time by seeing snapshots of forest ownership data from different points in the last 20 years. For 30 of those countries, we have even more in-depth qualitative data, which measures the strength of communities' rights to land and forest resources, as well as the specific rights of women within those communities. There's even a feature that allows users to compare the legal entitlements between different tenure regimes within the same country. The Tenure tool is for anyone who's interested in land rights, which should be everyone. But we think it will be especially useful for communities and their allies who are engaged in advocacy at the country level. Having access to RRI's tenure tracking data will also be a boon to researchers who are interested in forest tenure, land governance, women's land rights, rural governance, etc. It's increasingly recognized that strengthening the land and forest tenure rights of Indigenous peoples, Afro-descendant peoples, local communities, and women within those communities is critical to the achievement of the Sustainable Development Goals, the Paris Accord, and global biodiversity goals. More and more actors, like governments and multilateral institutions, are at least paying lip service to recognizing communities' rights. But without widely accessible data, it's hard to know what's actually occurring. Longitudinal quantitative data allows us to track progress over time, and in-depth qualitative data gives us a better understanding of the strength of communities' rights. But having that data be widely accessible creates accountability and strengthens advocacy.